Hello, yes, I am Prasanna. In this video, I am going to explain you patterns in whole numbers. So the basic of patterns in whole numbers begins with the shape made of dots. The shapes we take are line, rectangle, square, triangle. So these shapes we are going to use in patterns. And the patterns with numbers are not only interesting but are very useful, especially for mental calculations. Okay, coming for the line, first one we will take line. Every number should be arranged in the form of a line. Here 1. See 1 for 1 dot only. So we'll not write any shape for 1. We'll leave it off because for 1 we'll having only 1 dot. Coming to 2, for 2 you are having 2 dots. See, if I join this 2, I will get a line. Coming to 3, 1, 2, 3. For 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. For 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here, what did you observe? Every number can be represented in the form of a line with the help of a dots. So, except 1, every number can be represented as a line. Coming to next one, square. See, the perfect square, whole numbers can be represented in the shape of a square with the help of dots. Okay. Some numbers shown as a square using dots. For example, 4. See, 4 is nothing but 2 into 2. Next, 3 into 3 is what? 9. 4 into 4, 16. Similarly, this 5 into 5 means 25. Means here, number of rows and the number of columns are same. So, these numbers are square numbers. 4, 9, 16, 25. Next number is what? 6, 6 are 36. Here number of rows equal to number of columns. Then how you represent these numbers? These numbers are square numbers for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you see, there are 2 rows and 2 columns. For this 9, you will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When I join this border, you will get the shape of a square. Here, how many rows are there? 3 rows. How many columns are there? 3 columns. And coming to this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So, 4 rows, 4 columns. These numbers are square numbers. Coming to for this 25, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So, 5 rows, 5 columns. So, these square numbers can be represented as a square patterns in pattern in whole numbers. Next, after 36, you will get 49, 7 sevens are, next 8 8 are 64, 9 9s are 81, 10 10s are 100, so on. So, these numbers are square numbers. Now, next we will see rectangle. So, which numbers can be represented in the rectangle shape? So, any number that can be represented in the form of a rectangle is called a rectangular numbers. Right? And in general, all even numbers can be represented as rectangle numbers except 2. Except 2, because 2 can be represented only through dots. It can be represented with only line. For 2 we can't represent. If I join these 2 dots also, I will get a line, but I will not get any rectangle shape here. Next, after that to 4. See, 4 is a square number, okay. But when I join these dots, I will get a shape of some rectangle here. The rectangle is what? It is a closure figure with 4 sides. So, all square numbers can be taken as rectangular numbers. But all rectangular numbers cannot be taken as square numbers. Now, coming to 6. 6 is was 2 into 3. Means 2 rows, 3 columns. Or you can write as 3 into 2 also. 3 columns, 2 rows. Here, how you represent this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, 1, 2, 3 rows. 1, 2, 3 rows and the 2 columns, right? And next is 8. 8 you can represent as how? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 this way, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here how many rows are there? 2 rows. How many columns are there? 4 columns. Here how many rows? 4 rows and 2 columns, right? Similarly you can write 10. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or you can represent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? Now coming to here in this figure, how many rows are there? 5 rows and 2 columns. In this 2 rows and 5 columns. So all even numbers except 2 can be represented as a rectangle. Coming to next one, triangle. Which number can be represented in a triangle shape? You know what is triangle? Triangle is a closure figure formed with 3 line segments. And you people know what is equilateral triangle. A triangle in which all the 3 sides are equal is called an equilateral triangle, right? So some numbers can also be arranged as triangles. Such numbers are called triangular numbers. Triangular numbers. Now, here representing the numbers in the form of equilateral triangle. Using dots is called triangular representation, right? Now, for example, I'll take, see, 1 we can't represent any shape. 2 means how we represent line. Coming to 3, you can represent through a line, or you can also represent like this 1, 2, 3. Right? See, when I join these dots, I get what? Equilateral triangle. So, first triangular number is 3. So, I can write 1, 2, 3. This is 3. And what about the next number? How do you represent next number? See, very easy, interesting also. Here base is what? 2. Come next number you take base as 3. And in the middle you keep and one more. So now count how many numbers have you got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Next number here base how much I took? 3 numbers. Next I will take 1, 2, 3, 4 and middle 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what is the next triangular number? 10. Coming to next we will take here base 4 numbers. Now I will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 diagonals. Next 5 after next you will get in the middle 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 1, 2, 3. Next 1, 2. Next 1. So when I join this I will get an equilateral triangle. So how many dots you got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So you will get 50. Is that clear? And next number after this you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So these are the triangular numbers. Here how much increased from here? 3. 3 plus 3 how much? 6. Next from here to here how much increased? 4. 6 plus 4 10. Again you got how much? Plus 5 increased. And here plus 6. Right? And the next one you will get 21 plus 7, that is 28. Next triangular number is 28. This is how we will get a triangular numbers. And if you observe in this, the number of dots in the row starting from the bottom row should be like 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right? And the top row should always have 1 dot. 1, 1 here. If you observe, the top row is always 1. So these are the triangular numbers. Here now we will take one table. Complete the table. Here they gave some numbers. And the line, rectangle, square and triangle. We will see which number is represented with these shapes. Coming to line. Just now I told every number can be represented as a line except 1 because 1 is only 1 dot. So from 2 onwards every number can be represented as a line. For 3 Yes, 3 dots will give you a line. So it can be represented, 4 can be represented. All numbers except 1 can be represented as a line. Coming to next rectangle. All even numbers and square numbers can be represented as a rectangle. All even numbers and square numbers. Here what is 3? 3 is what number? Odd number. The numbers which are not divisible by 2. Okay. So 3 is not a square number also. So it cannot be represented as a rectangle. Right. Coming to 4. Yes. 4 is a square number and also even number. So it can be represented as a rectangle. Coming to 9. 9 is also a square number. Right. So it can be represented as a rectangle. And 12 is what? Even number. Yes, represented. And 16 also even number. And 21. What about 21? 21 is not an even number and it is not a square number also. So 21 is not represented as a rectangle. Coming to square. Square, just now I told. Number of rows and number of columns should be same. That is 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25 in that way. Okay. And what about 3? No. Coming to 4, 2 2s are 4s. Yes, 4 is represented with a square. 9, 3 3s are 9. Yes. Coming to 12, no. 12 is not represented as a square number. 16, 4 4s are 16. Yes. Next 21, no. Coming to triangle, 3 can be represented as a triangle. Yes. It is represented 1, 2, 3, right? Coming to 4. 4 is represented as a triangle? No. After 3, what is the next triangular number? You will get 6. 9? No. Triangular numbers are 3, 6, next 10, next 15, next 21, like that, right? Next 12? No. 16? No. Coming to 21? Yes. So these numbers can be represented as a triangle. In this only 3 and so 3 and 21 in this table is represented as a triangle.